Now we just gotta raise the money for tickets. Come on, girls, think!
No one will help me think. A little panda.
Abby, come on, May. It'll clear my mind. Just a little hint. It's so cute. Fine.
Mon amour.
Happy?
Oh yeah.
It's
Gonna be me.
Let's learn English with the newest Disney Pixar hit film Turning Red. Mei Lee is a 13-year-old girl who is torn between being her mother's obedient daughter and the chaos of her youth. As if that were not enough, when she gets too excited, she turns into a big red panda.
Everything changes for Mei when she wakes up one morning and she's a giant 8-foot-tall furry red panda.
This isn't happening.
Also, Billie Eilish and Phineas O'Connell wrote the music for this movie.
Writing a song has literally been the most fun we've had.
When we got approached about this project, we leapt at the opportunity.
It's true. It was very exciting.
But quickly before we get into that, I wanted to let you know that if you're new here, every week we release lessons to help learners like you to improve their English. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell down below so you don't miss any of our new lessons.
Hey, girlfriends. What is up?
What's up? Used as a friendly greeting.
Hey, Drac, what's up?
What? It's Johnny?
Yeah.
Abby! What's up, May?
What's up? Hello, Tigger. Piglet.
Jane! Jane, hey. Hey.
Carlos, what's up?
Yo, what's up, sire? You sent for me?
Chancellor, look at me.
Oh, what's up?
Hey, what's up?
Oh, hi.
What's up is defined as slang for the expression, what's up?
David?
What's up?
What's up? What's up?
Oh, these are the Croods.
Hello.
Hey.
What's up?
And this?
Girlfriends, what is up? Oh, what's with the Tuque?
What's with somebody? Used to ask why a person or group of people is behaving strangely. What's with something? Used to ask the reason for something. What's with someone? Used to ask what is happening, wrong, or how is everything.
What's with your hair? What? What's different? Nothing.
What's with the chair?
You can't always get a seat on the subway, so.
Jeez, what is with you?
I'm sorry.
Hey, what's with the candy?
Oh, when you beat me, I was online.
What's with the 20% tip?
Did I do something wrong?
20% is pretty generous. Is that supposed to be funny? No, actually, I was just going for colorful.
What's with this guy?
What's with you?
Nothing. Nothing's with him.
What's with the guitar?
Well, I just thought we might be here for a while, so, things might get musical.
Oh, what's with the Tuque?
Tuque is a woman's small hat without a brim made in any of various soft, close-fitting shapes.
Oh, what's with the Tuque? Bad hair day.
Bad hair day is a day when you are unhappy and easily upset, especially because your hair does not look the way you want it to look.
And I might not be super strong like Luisa, or effortlessly perfect like Señorita Perfecta Isabela, who's never even had a bad hair day, but what Whatever.
Oh, what's with the Tuque? Bad hair day. Did you work out this morning?
I got you.
Workout here means to make your body fit and strong by doing exercises.
No! What are you gonna do? Make me?
Hey, man, I work out.
So do I.
I do Pilates.
I do yoga.
Bring it on!
Oh, well.
Yeah, and that physique, you must work out all the time.
Oh, no, not all the time. I do the best I can.
Yeah, I bet. Look out!
Oh!
As big as my face!
He's like a mountain with fur.
Oh, come on. I don't even work out.
Yeah, me neither. I don't want to get too big.
Did you work out this morning?
I got you, girl.
May.
In slang, saying, I got you, means either, I get what you're saying, or, I've got your back.
Whoa, not literally. I gotcha, Alvin.
I'll got you. Don't worry, I'll got you.
Oh no! Something's wrong! Don't worry! I got you!
Take me to Van Helsing!
Oh, okay, I got you, Drac!
Give me your hand, buddy. I got you. Come on, go! Come on down, buddy. I got you.
No! Gotcha. It's okay. It's okay. You're safe now.
Did you work out this morning?
I got you, girl.
May, we gotta talk. Okay. Taylor's been telling everyone about the Daisy Mart. What? He said your mom went nuts.
And that you're kind of a perv.
Go nuts means to become very angry about something.
This is not how we wanted you to find out about this. You have every right to go nuts.
I'm not going nuts. Do you see me going nuts?
No, but you know what I
So
mean.
help me, I will super bark you out of that tree.
Yeah, go nuts. Let's see how that works out for you.
Also, it means to become very excited because something good has just happened.
I played Smelly Cat for the people in my old ad agency. They went nuts.
Guys, please, just wear what I suggest and she is going to go nuts for you.
Remember this, Gramps? You went nuts for it.
Okay. No biggie. You'll figure this out, Lee.
Figure somebody or something out means to think about a problem or situation until you find the answer or understand what has happened.
You have to go.
No, I know we can figure this out together.
How?
No. It's okay. This is all right. We can figure this out.
I hate you.
This kid is harmless. He doesn't have anything to do with this, okay? We can figure this out. Look at me. Look at me.
To buy some accessories.
His appointment is with technical support.
Well, I'm sure we still have plenty of time to figure this out.
Okay, listen. I don't exactly know what they are yet. So, could you give me one more night to figure this out?
Unless the X-Men stay away from the water. Or it could be like campfire. It's okay. We can figure this out.
Figure out what? We're back where we started.
You'll figure this out, Lee. Just be the calm, mature adult you
Someone, especially a child or young person, who is mature, behaves in a sensible and reasonable way, as you would expect an adult to behave.
Sorry.
Look, I know my work schedule is tough, but I thought you guys were old enough to take care of yourselves. But I guess you're not mature enough for that.
That's insulting. We are very mature. Hey, Dave. We'd like to do the mature thing and accept partial responsibility for all the trouble we've caused.
And Margot, oh, you are so mature. I'm guessing, what, you 15?
15?
Well, let's face it. He's more, mature than you.
I'm not mature.
Dave, I just want to get out there and be useful.
Without me? What if you get lost? You're just a kid.
Oh, and you're some mature adult.
Well,
take that back!
Oh, nice, Gary. Nice. Real mature.
You're in love with Miss Sally.
Okay, that's real mature. Made a real grown up.
Just be the calm, mature adult you totally are.
Adult is a fully grown person, or one who is considered to be legally responsible for their actions.
Oh, wait. I don't have any money.
You're an adult?
You could just put it on credit.
Oh, what's credit?
It's kind of like a promise. You take what you want now, and you promise you'll pay it back later.
Fine. She's an adult now. I warned you. I ordered you.
Delivery service. Our adult names are Henry and Sarah. We are adult parents of an absolutely perfect son named Nate.
Dad, you said that when I turned 118, I could go out into the world like every other adult that gets to come and go from this hotel.
Sorry, dude. They can't ride without an adult.
Down, Nate.
Dude, keep it together.
I can't.
Keep it together means to maintain composure or to avoid an overly emotional reaction.
I'm trying to keep it together, but don't you worry, I will take care of Easter.
Okay, whoa.
Look, I know this is difficult, and I know you're being tortured, but you have got to keep it together.
This isn't torture, this is vivid.
Keep it together, girls.
This was recovered at the scene.
Don't panic, don't panic.
Don't tell me not to panic.
Just
everything
keep
is not
it
okay. It's not okay.
I could have been dead! I could have died!
Keep it together, man!
What's wrong with you?
Low battery.
Whoa. Try to keep it together.
I'm healthcare. Open up. Come on. Keep it together.
We need to see this concert. Why doesn't my mom get that? I never asked for it.
Get something here means to understand something. For example, I don't think she got the joke. I don't get it. It doesn't make sense.
This is the first time in my life I'm doing something that I'm actually good at? I mean, if you don't get that...
Oh, hey, I get that. Okay, I get that big time, and I'm happy for you, but I'm tired of having...
Yeah. See, I did not get that.
You guys get that? Ow! You hit me right there.
Trust me, I will never.
Yeah, I get that, yeah.
We have to do this. We'll meet at Tyler's, I'll do my thing, and then we'll bounce. Easy peasy.
In slang, bounce means to leave.
Well, one's not here. Let's bounce. Let's go.
We have to do this. We'll meet at Tyler's, I'll do my thing, and then we'll bounce. Easy peasy.
Dude, what about your mom?
Easy peasy means very easy.
See? Easy peasy.
You will go, you will find the fairy godmother, and you will bring me back her magic wand. Easy peasy.
What's easy peasy?
So how are you gonna do it?
You grew up to be the founder of this wretched time, so I plan to destroy your destiny. Easy peasy, rice and cheesy.
3 days. Easy peasy.
So, yeah, easy peasy. Oh, no. There's one more thing. Kinda important.
You hear about Steve and Gloria? What? I hear they're an Aiken.
No.
Yeah. Are you kidding me?
Are you guys talking about us?
You guys better